is just down the street, well, you think maybe he's going to work or just regular going to school. If I start taking some clothes off, maybe you'll think different, right? Alright, I want you guys to tell me like what you guys would think if you would see me like this down the street. Where do you think I'm going? Or what am I doing that day? If you see me like this. Alright, went to the gym. That's a good one. What do you guys think? What if you see me like this down the street? What do you think I'm gonna do?
You're gonna go run.
Right, I'm gonna go run. I am gonna talk about running. I'm gonna give my presentation like this. Now, running is a whole art. Running, I've been doing this for 11 years. So I have pretty much done research on the nutrition that it comes to with running. And it's something I do every day. Um, Running can be broken down into three parts. Those three parts, it's nutrition, workouts, and the dedication you have. For the nutrition, um, Dr. Jameson Thompson and Melinda Warren describe nutrition as the science that studies food and how food nourishes our bodies and influences our health. Now, nutrition comes nutrients, of course. So, nutrients are carbs, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. We all heard how important these are to us. Now, carbs, they're the primary source of fuel for our bodies and particularly our brain. So in the morning, we've all heard that the teacher tells us, eat breakfast. You know, all those carbs are going into us. That's helping us think. The fats, they're energy source for our bodies, especially during rest and low intensity activities. Actually, something you guys should know about fats, it's not all that bad for you. Actually, the more fats you have in your axons that are in your brain, the faster the information transmits through those neurons. Um, Proteins, um, they rebuild cells, tissues, maintain structure, and strengthen our bones, repairing damaged structures, and assist with other body functions. For the vitamins, they maintain healthy bones, blood, muscle tissue, support the immune system, and maintain a healthy vision as well. The minerals, that's a little tricky. They don't contain carbon and are destroyed by heat or light, and they are not broken down during digestion. What this means is, for example, the calcium in your bones is going to be the same as the calcium in that is in the milk, as well as the sodium inside our cells. It's just the same as the sodium in a table salt. The water maintains proper balance and fluid inside and outside our cells, and also assists in regulation of nerve impulses, muscle contraction, and nutrition supports and excretion of waste. Actually, you all heard drink water, drink water. The reason is, if you wait until you're thirsty, then the process of dehydration has started already. The workouts. The workouts, that's an everyday thing. It's not something you just think about. You just go at it and you know you're gonna suffer for that day. And actually, I love it. I don't know why, but I like suffering a lot. There's my hard days, there's my recovery days. Actually, this presentation, I thought it all while I was running. It was a long run. It was probably like a 2-hour run. It gets you ready for races. I have run 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers. Have run it at the district level, a state level, a regional level, and actually at a national level as well. For those races, I have prepared all my life. I started since I was 9. So it's been, yeah, 11 years now. Actually 8, so it's been 11 years now. For this workouts, I also think about a lot about my shoes. The shoes I'm wearing, they're an ASIC brand. And you think running is not expensive at all. These are my most expensive thing I have for this were $120 shoes. They have so much support, it holds it during my workouts. They have so much cushioning, I just love it. The other shoes I love as well for running are the Nike. Why? Because those are a faster shoe. They can help me during fast workouts, and I use them during races. the dedication you put into running, it's amazing. You don't know how many times I've missed a family event just to stay at home resting, or simply just not gone out for the day. I have just sat there all day at home. It's ridiculous. It sounds like, boring, but it's something that I prepare myself for the next day, which is gonna be my race day. I have so much dedication. I have gotten up at 4 in the morning to go run. 4 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 12, any time of day, you name it. I have ran at that time of day. Also, like, I don't like drinking beer that much. Why? It dehydrates me. I'm so much into running, like, I don't mind if I don't go to a party or anything. It's all in my head. Running is so important to me, and I'm not gonna let anything break me. I talked to you guys about 3 important things in running, which is nutrition, workouts, and dedication. And like I said, I love running. That's why I'm talking about running. Maybe you think, guys, it's dumb. I don't know. I love it. I really do. And maybe it was because of the first time I got my first medal. I was 3 years old. I remember where I was in the 20 de noviembre, a track meet, 100 meters. I beat all the other kids. I was really small, but I still remember it. I have the medal. It's paper. It's a gold paper with a ribbon. The cheapest thing you ever seen. But I have it stored, and no one's ever gonna touch that. Also, another thing that keeps me going is what a personal friend of mine still believes in me. Half my faults, and she still believes in me. She told me once, una cosa es esforzarte y otra entregarse. Yo he visto cómo te entregas. Which means one thing is putting an effort into it, and the other one is giving yourself into the sport. And I see how you give yourself into the sport. That's why I still believe in you. And that's why I get into this presentation.